Hi everybody. I had joined this workshop with a very open mindset that I just wanted to gain something, whatever it was. And after joining this workshop, I was like very happy to mingle around with females of my age group of my kids. And with that, I changed my mindset as to what kids are these days are demanding actually. And this had brought me into a very good insight of the situation of this age. And I definitely would recommend people of my age to join such workshops, because as there is no expiry date for a learning session, every day is a new learning in our lives. So please come and join and explore yourself, your inner self, and you definitely will get so many things you have been missing out in life. I will surely, definitely assure you that you will just come out a better person than what you are. Definitely, it has made a lot of difference in my life, and I'm very happy, very thankful to Sandhya. She has done a great job, and I hope that she keeps on doing this good work for many other people. Thank you so much.